Guys, Smuggler's Built here, and today I'm going to build Miss Marvel, the Carol Danvers version of Miss Marvel. Um, so this is one of the newer builds that I've done most recently. I really like this build. It's fun. It's easy, um, but you can't really change the detailing on it sometimes. So the scarf would usually be down here, but you have to use what you have. So let's get into the build. So I'm going to start with a new model, and we're just going to start with legs first. So we're going to go to minifigures, lower parts, and we're going to pick this pair right here. We're going to make it tan. Then we're going to get rid of that. Now we're going to go to minifigs, lower parts, superheroes, Marvel. And we're going to use the legs from the Kamala Khan Miss Marvel. So right here. So we're going to get rid of that. Get rid of that. Move that between there. And we're going to turn that black. And we're going to go to upper parts, superheroes, Marvel. We're still going to use the Kamala Khan torso. So here it is. And then we're going to change the arms. So I'm going to center that, move that back. We're just going to make this black now. We're going to go to multiples, get those arms. We're going to remove them. Then we're going to go to minifigures, upper parts. And then we're going to click this one. I'm going to make it tan, black. Get rid of the torso. Move this in. And now we're going to go to heads, minifigs heads. And we're going to use the Black Cat head from the Daily Bugle set. So that's going to be all the way at the bottom. Well, not all the way, but, almost there at the bottom. Black Cat. And I can have her angry or mad. Whatever you like to choose. Now we're going to go to hairs, and we're just going to use this one right here. And try our legacy colors. Trying to get that blondish color. So that it will kind of be the closest you can get to a blonde color. Yeah. So that's how you make Miss Marvel, or Carol Danvers Miss Marvel. Again, this is one of the newer builds. I did this actually back in August. It's not that new, but I made this back in August. The original version back in August. I have updated it since then, experimenting with some of the colors for the hair and different heads and different design. But that's how you make Miss Marvel or Carol Danvers. And if you like this build, go check out some of my other ones, and I will see you guys later. Bye.